to my session, Determinants of Human Growth and Behavior. Growth is the product of interaction of the organism and its environment. To understand how an individual behaves or behavior develops, we have to understand the action and the interaction of an individual. The two components which influence the human behavior are heredity factor and environment factor. Heredity is the totality of biologically transmitted factors that influence the structure of the body and individual behavior. A sperm from the male and the ovum from the female unite in order to form a single cell organism, that is zygote. Once this is formed, it cannot be changed, and a child is formed in accordance to these chromosomes. The last chromosome, that is 23rd chromosome, determines the sex of the child and even sex-related traits, that is behavior. It is heredity to an extent which determines the developmental task. It is interesting to know the process by which an individual develops from a single cell organism into an adult human being. Chromosomes, a thread-like structure of nucleic acids and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells, carrying genetic information in the form of genes. Heredity is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring. What are traits? Traits include eye color, hair color, height, body structure, facial features, skin color, and so on. Richard and Raymond, who were identical twins, are quoted as an example for the importance of heredity on intelligence. When Richard was 1 month old, he was adopted by a truck driver. As his foster father moved from job to job, Richard was forced to attend different school. Raymond, on the other hand, was adopted by the doctor at 14 months. As his foster father was an upper middle class man, his home environment and schooling were superior to those of Richard. When these two children were assessed with intelligence test at the age of 10 years, the difference in their IQ was only 1. Richard's was 105 and Raymond's was 106. In spite of wide differences in the environment these children had. Environment, the totality of condition that serves to stimulate or bring about modification in the structure of the body and individual behavior is called environment. Environment can be divided into two types: internal environment and external environment. Internal environment, also called as prenatal environment, the factors affecting development from conception to birth, such as good maternal health, proper nourishment, diet, medicine taken by the mother during pregnancy, radiation, maternal infection and illness, X-ray exposure, and injuries suffered during pregnancy are included under internal environment. External environment. External environment includes a wide variety of physical and social influences on the individual after birth. They include climate, atmosphere, temperature, cleanliness, availability of food, and other physical aspects. Similarly, is influenced by the parents, family members, teachers, and social environment. Later, the individual influenced by the social factors like customs, values, culture, religion, nationality, and so on. Peter and Paul were twins who were separated. When they were young, one was brought up in a good disciplined family, another in a home with fights, restrictions, quarrels, etc. The former twin became a successful man in life with good learning. The other one was a school dropout and was caught in drug trafficking. Both heredity and environment are important. They interact in such a manner that they are dependent on each other. Thank you.